Hello my dear students, class 5th. Today we will be discussing about the nouns, genders. Okay, so gender. First, I would like that open your grammar book, page number 3030. You will get this. Okay, so if you open page number 30, you will get the gender. Okay, so what is gender? Genders can be nouns or nouns can be genders. Okay, so see how there are types of genders: masculines, feminines, common and neuter. Okay, so masculine gender refers to boys, male or male animals, as it is the feminine gender refers to girls, women and female animal. If we discuss about the common gender, it is refer to animals or people or animals. And when I am talking about the neuter gender, it is refer to non-living things. Have you got it? Masculine refer to boy, man and male animals. Feminine refers to girls, women and female animals. Common noun refers to people and animals, and neuter gender refers to non-living things. Have you understood? Let's move forward. Here we will see, okay, this thing we have understood that masculine means boys or males, feminine means girls or women, common means people commonly or animals, and neuter means non-living things. So here we will see first, the first rule we will see adding ESS to form feminine. Okay, see how the word is given here HOST, host. Okay, so if I see here adding only ESS, so if I add here, see this is masculine word has been given, host is a masculine word. If I write here HOST and this ESS, so it becomes hostess. So I am changing the word host to hostess, masculine to feminine. Are you getting me? See the next word, poet. Poet. If I add here ESS, so it will become POET or ESS. Poet is a masculine gender and poetess is a feminine gender. Okay. See the next rule. Next rule is that changing the spellings before adding es. See how here actor word is given. Actor. Okay. So before es the spelling is getting changed. Little bit the spelling gets changed. I will show you how the spelling gets changed. A C T. Now here OR is here. Okay, OR. So instead of OR, now this rule of O, you will see in the next grade when you go in 6th and 7th standard. Okay. So here the common rule I am telling you, if there is the word actor, the spelling gets changed before es. Now see ACT. Here O I will not write. Here I will write R and ESS. So it becomes actor to actress. Okay, actor is a masculine gender and actress is a feminine gender. Okay, the same way duke, I will see DU remains same. Here I will write CH and ESS. So before ESS the spellings get changed. Okay, when we are making masculine to feminine. Okay, now duke, duchess. Have you got? See the next. It is waterman. Okay, see, man is there. And what is the feminine of man? Woman. Okay, so water will remain same. We will write here instead of man, woman. Waterman, waterwoman. Okay. The same way, landlord. Okay, here Lord is there, Lord. So, landlord, we will write here landlord, feminine gender, lady, landlady. Have you got landlord, landlady? See, using a new spellings. Using a new spellings, that uncle becomes aunt. Is it? See, what is the spelling of uncle and what is the spelling of aunt? Uncle, aunt. King, queen. See the spelling, the difference between spellings. What is the spelling of masculine and what is the spelling of feminine? Masculine is a king. It is a male gender, it is a female gender. Husband, wife. The spellings get completely changed. And gander, goose. Okay. So here the examples have been given that rewrite the sentences after changing the gender of the highlighted words. So can you see some words have been highlighted here? So we have to change their genders. Okay. So we will practice together. See the first sentence. My uncle gave my cousin a toy king. Okay. So what the words have been highlighted here? Uncle and king. We have to change. Okay. So here I will write my. So uncle is a masculine gender. So what the feminine gender should I write here? Aunt. My aunt gave my cousin a toy queen. Instead of queen, what will come here? Sorry, king, what will come here? Queen. Are you getting me? So first sentence we have solved. Now we will see. See now what is the sentence I have written here? My aunt gave my cousin a toy queen. Fine. Now see, let us see the next sentence. The eldest son invited a few boys to the party. So what the words have been highlighted here? Son and boys. Okay. So till this I will write the sentence here. The eldest. Okay. So son. What is the masculine? Say what is the feminine gender of son? Daughter. Yes, correct. The eldest daughter. I will make here square so that you will understand quickly. Invited a few boys. What will happen here with the boys? Here I will write girls. Hence it is plural. Boys. So I will write here girls to the party. Okay. So here we have turn son into daughter, boys into girls. We have changed their gender. See next. Her sister and her niece are ready for the game. Here sister has been given and niece has been highlighted here. So I will write here her sister instead of sister here. What should be written? Brother. Her brother and her niece, nephew. The masculine gender of of nephew is niece. Okay. So her brother and her nephew are ready for the game. So we have changed niece into nephew and sister into brother. Okay. See the second last sentence. The leopard and the hunter were chasing each other. Okay. So I will write here the feminine gender of leopard is, add here ESS. So it will become feminine gender of leopard, leopardess. The leopardess and the hunter. How we have seen the actress. The same way we will write here hunter, huntress. Here before R the vowel is there, that to be skipped, and TRESS. Okay. So the leopardess and huntress, the huntress were chasing each other. Fine. Fine. Now see the last sentence. The duck and the hens were on the farm. Okay. So here feminine has been given, right? The feminine duck and hens, the feminine genders have been given. We have to convert into masculine gender. So here I will write the drake. The drake. This is a masculine gender of duck. Okay. The drake and the hens. Hens. Suddenly you will think that cocks. No. But the rooster. Rooster is a most genuine word for the feminine, for the masculine of hens. Okay. Hens, roosters. Got it? So here I will write roosters. The drakes and the roosters were on the farm. So have you understood how it is changing to the feminine? We are adding ESS. Sometimes we are completely changing their spellings. Sometimes we are cutting the vowel and direct before ES we are changing the spelling. Yes? Okay.